As I come to the conclusion of the first part of building my 2.8 Landcruiser, I would like to offer a special on Overland Workshop courses, particularly the one involving building a vehicle, accessorizing a vehicle. Do you know, for example, how important it is and how easy it is to compartmentalize the packing systems in your vehicle to enable you to reach the things you need the most first? How much time are you willing to spend on getting yourself comfortable once you've arrived at your campsite? Do you understand weight distribution? You probably do. Do you understand how to get most of the weight forward and low down? It's so important, unbelievably important, for a ride that'll eventually be wonderful. You'll enjoy driving the vehicle as opposed to fighting with the vehicle because the weight distribution center of gravity is wrong. The importance of wheels and tires. Don't be overwhelmed. Many people that build vehicles are overwhelmed by the number of products available. I've got a secret to get around that like that. And if you are at this very moment thinking about buying a vehicle, changing your vehicle, updating, upgrading your vehicle, you need to know this information before you purchase the vehicle, because I'm going to help you prioritize your mission with specifics. And I would like to share my 30+ years of building overland trucks with you. 30% off on the subscription and 30% on building and equipping your overland tourer. That's overlandworkshop.com. Looking forward to seeing you there.